Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll go through how to make the annotate schematic in KiCad. What is annotate schematic? When you did all schematic in KiCad, all your component, capacitor or voltage regulator start out with generic. Additionally, with annotate gonna help to automatic to assign unit a reference number to every component. Example, without annotate, and then your capacitor component are gonna have the exact number like this. So now with no annotate like this, or it look like this, it gonna make the issue when you want to generate the boom file or exponentially and avoiding the error. Now look at the top file, as you can see like this. Let's click on it, and then I'm gonna go to scope, entire schematic, order. I'm gonna have short, I'm took it the same, and option, and then annotate. Click close. So our body kit become like this.